You're going to love the 2007 Ford Expedition EL. A 5.4-liter V8 engine pairs with a sophisticated 6-speed automatic transmission, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. It's equipped with tons of terrific amenities, but it won't break your budget, like power windows, mirrors and seats, front and rear reading lights, an outside temperature display, skid plates, remote keyless entry, a trailer hitch, and leather upholstery. Backseat passengers will appreciate the rear audio controls, allowing them to make easy adjustments to the stereo system. Third row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. Ford also prioritized safety and security by including traction control, brake assist, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Side curtain airbags provide rollover protection. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. We are here to help you.